Hey, happy Friday. Stop, drop, and breathe. I'm Lisa. Stop, drop, and breathe. I'm Lisa. I got this beautiful, if you're on Instagram, you can see little prism. All right, so happy Friday. And today on Stop, Drop, and Breathe, we are going to be doing deepening self-trust. I'm in a super mellow mood, and I really want to get into this breathing thing today. And I'm not going to really talk that much. I'll just recap a little bit of the week. So this week, we talked about self-trust from the lens of living your life by keeping your word to yourself. Because if you're not keeping your word to yourself, you are chipping away at your ability to trust yourself. You are literally betraying yourself. If you're betraying yourself, then you are slowly chipping away at that confidence, and it makes decision making very difficult. It makes showing up in your life from living from the inside out very difficult. So all week we have been looking at how we can keep our word to ourselves just like we keep our word to others, and live life from the inside out. If you're joining, say hi, give me a thumbs up or a little icon. It's Friday, it's mellow. I see a few of you on Facebook. We're just going to be gathering for a few minutes, and then we're going to dive into some deep breathing. Yeah, self-trust. We've been talking about self-trust means showing up for yourself. Self-trust is all about keeping your word to yourself. Self-trust is beautiful. And it is, if you watched my Tuesday talks, hey Janice, you'll see I talked about my own journey from completely betraying myself, disconnecting from myself, to finding a way to trust myself again, especially when it came to making decisions around food and working out and how I show up in the world, how I can, it's not about falling off the wagon, the metaphorical wagon, but it's about how fast you get back up. And how fast you get back up has to do so much with how you trust yourself, how you're engaging with the world around you, the process of life, knowing that there's no such thing as failure, just feedback. So, hey, I'm glowing with my prism. Thank you, Jerome. I mean, you know how I do. Oh, look, it's on my mouth now. All right, so today we're just going to go inward, because also self-trust has so much to do with connecting back to yourself. When you are connected to yourself, oh, yo, check out my nails today, everybody. I got a little line action going. I saw it when I went like this. So yeah, you made it, Michelle, to Stop, Drop, and Breathe. So glad you're here. So yeah, just give me a heart if you're joining. I was going to say we're going to do a lot of breathing today, because self-trust is about coming back to yourself, where all your answers are. And if you're like me, at any time in your life, I was living from the outside in. I was looking at other people for what to do, what to eat, how to work out, like all of their rules, and I was trying to apply it to me versus really touch base with me. What do I want? You know, my theme for 2020 was, what does Lisa want? And you know, all of manifesting, if you're going to be at Manifest and Mingle, I'm going to talk about this a lot, but all about manifesting is connecting to your vision. But to connect to your vision, you have to say, what does Lisa want? What does Janice want? What does Steven want? What does Michelle want? What does Dina want? What do you want? So here we go. Find yourself in a comfortable position. We're going to get deep with this breath. Found this beautiful track. I'm actually going to start it over because I'm digging it. I'm digging this track. All right, everyone. So we're going to breathe in and out through our mouth. We're going to go deep inward to where you trust yourself. Deepest love inside, all right? So just get into a comfortable position. Sit straight. Own your body. Really be in your body right now. And take a breath in and breath out. You can just close your eyes. I'm just going to guide you in through your mouth, out through your mouth. Inhale, exhale. see if you can begin to fully breathe in, expanding from the inside out. Allow this trust to permeate your entire system. Inhale. Exhale. As you inhale, feel your body fully growing, allowing, expanding, being in the trust. Expanding in the love that already exists deep, deep as you are in your deepest core. You are love. And if love was the seed right now, and our breath is the water and the sunlight, I want you to grow the seed of love from the inside. As you grow, you grow, you flow, you grow, you flow. Inhaling, exhaling, melting down, allowing gravity to just allow your body to drop. Feeling the beat of the music and inhaling deep, 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 deep. Exhaling deep, 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 deep. And just playing with the breath. How much can you take in? How ready are you for more in your life? More expansion. Go to the edges of growth right now and trust yourself that you can handle whatever you put yourself into. That we never put ourselves into a situation that we cannot handle, even if it feels unbelievable. Playing with the breath as you breathe in. I want us all to hold it at the top for 8. So inhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Push it all out. Hold it at the bottom. Empty out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale in. Open, expand, take it all in, even more, and hold it at the top for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Empty it out, all the way. Fill, just empty, so you can fill up. Take the deep. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Come back in. So you've seen this straw breath before. We're going to do this. Stay with the breath. The beat of this music will pick up a little and we'll just... I'm too low for this. Been around this broken down for way too long. The song is Come Home to Yourself. It's time to come home to yourself. Come home with your breath. Yes. Breathing in. Trust. Use your voice if you need to. Inhale. Take it in. Exhale. Push it out. Inhale. Woo. Charge it up. Yes. Woo, I feel it. Yes, I'm feeling the oxygen hitting my system. I'm feeling lightheaded. I'm feeling tingly. Do it. Bring it in. Few more. Stay with it. Woo! Yes. Woo! I'm totally like. That's what I love about breath. It wakes you up. You gotta wake up. You're sleeping half the time. Wake up in your own life. Do it, do it, do it. Stay with it. This is an active breath. Come on, I want you to be your best self in life. You got it. A few more. 10, 9. Yes, yes, yes. Wake up, everybody. 6, 4, 2, 1. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Close your eyes. Go in, and feel it, feel it, feel it. Whoa. I'm coming home. That's what she's saying. Go home to yourself. Really keep your eyes closed right now and watch whatever is happening. You'll see the energy moving in your eyes and in your body. You've just brought oxygen into your system. Breathe in. I trust myself. Keep your eyes closed. Your eyes are a little gateway in and out. Just keep this energy in right now. And take a deep breath in. Eyes closed. Exhale out. We're going to bring it home with this last song. Stay inward, everyone. Stay in. Use your eyes to focus on your third eye. Bring your eyes in and up. And really allow yourself this space, all that energy you just moved and breathed into. Stay with the breath. Inhale. It's just the last few minutes. This is an active breath, and you are required to show up in your life when change is at the forefront. When you are at the edge of change, you must stay with the breath. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling love. Exhaling love. Inhaling that deep, deep trust that you do always know. You always know what is right for you. Your body is always giving you indicators of exactly what it is that is right for you or that feels good for you. Go with what feels good. Follow the love, follow the laughter, follow the joy, and you can't really be going wrong. Breathe in joy. Breathe out joy. Just sealing in the practice. Let's just breathe deep. Feel the edges of that breath, breathing in, deepest, deepest breath in. Feeling your heart exposing and your body lifting and the expansion and the exhale and the contraction coming back home on the exhale. Sorry, reverse that. Inhaling, expanding, woo, because I got really tingly there. Beauty about your breath, it is available to you at any time. You can always come home to yourself. If life is feeling out of control or frustrating, or you just are feeling like you just don't know, just take a deep breath in. It's always there for you. Or you can call me. I'll breathe with you. Inhaling, this is amazing for your nervous system, Stephen. Yes, and for anxiety. It relaxes all the tension. It's so beautiful, and it has changed my life. It has allowed me to find trust. Along with my 30 Days to Change program and all the other mind mastery work that I do, I have landed in a beautiful place within my mind to navigate this world. So if you're looking for changes, if you're looking to really deepen self-trust and self-love and just to come back home to yourself, if you're feeling disconnected like I was in my life, if you struggle with making decisions, I mean, I couldn't even make a decision of what to eat. Call me. I'll put the 30 Days to Change link in. There's so many people that are in this program right now that are just having amazing results of coming back home. It's not a 30 Days to Change program where I'm going to help you lose weight in 30 days. And thank you, Gisela. And, You're not, it's not like that. It's slow, and it's slow, incremental, because you know what? Imagine all the years it took you to chip away at that trust. We need to build it back slowly so you know how to trust yourself, so that you can enter back into the world strong and confident, that your chakras are aligned, and that your personal power is fierce. All right? I don't usually pull cards on Fridays, but I felt called to do this today. We're at 15 minutes, so if you have to go, I love you and one love. If you want to stay, I'm going to be pulling just a quick card, just some wisdom for Friday. I'm feeling it. All right, we're going with 11 because that's my favorite number. Off the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. Playfulness. Have fun. Play. Everything is fun. Everything can be fun if you find the fun. Find the fun. Friday's message, find the fun. I wish everyone a magical weekend. I'll see you for Tuesday Thoughts, Friday Stop, Drop, and Breathe, and everything in between. If you need anything, reach out. I'm here. I love supporting people to go to their best self, next level, manifest your dreams, your desires, and love you. Bye. Hey, Kali. Thanks for joining. Bam. Hey, I'm going to go play now. All right, here we go. Stopping.